In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve perfect symmetry in Blender using the Mirror Modifier and the Auto Mirror add-on. If you've ever modeled characters, props, or hard surface objects, Symmetry can save you a massive amount of time and help keep your workflow clean, fast, and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to mirror one side of a mesh, keep your center line locked, and even use Auto Mirror for an even quicker setup. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, select your object in the 3D viewport. This can be any mesh that you want to make symmetrical, whether it's a face, a vehicle part, or a simple model you're building from scratch. Once your object is selected, press Tab on your keyboard to enter Edit Mode. Edit Mode is where you can directly edit the vertices, edges, and faces of your mesh. Now comes an important step. You want to select half of the mesh and delete one side. The reason for this is simple. The Mirror Modifier works from one side only. It takes the half you keep and duplicates it across the center line to create the other side. So if your mesh already has both sides modeled, you'll want to remove one half before continuing. After selecting the side you want to delete, press X or Delete and remove it from the mesh. Once that's done, press Tab again to exit Edit Mode and go back to Object Mode. Now look over to the right side of Blender, where the Properties panel is located. Click on the Modifiers tab, which is the wrench icon. This is where you'll add and manage modifiers for your object. Click Add Modifier, then choose Mirror from the list. As soon as you add it, Blender will reflect your mesh across the chosen axis, usually the X-axis by default. If the mirror is facing the wrong direction, you may need to adjust the object's orientation or change the axis settings, but for most models, the default setup is a great place to start. Next, enable clipping. This is one of the most important settings when working with mirrored meshes because it prevents vertices from crossing the center. With clipping turned on, the vertices at the center line will snap together and stay locked in place, which helps you maintain a clean, seamless symmetrical model. Without clipping, the center vertices can drift past the mirror line and create gaps or mistakes. Now go back into Edit Mode and move vertices near the center. You'll see them snap together as they approach the middle. This is exactly what you want. The mirror line stays perfectly aligned, and your mesh remains symmetrical while you continue modeling only one side. This makes the workflow much faster because every change you make on one side is automatically reflected on the other side. If you want an even faster workflow, you can also use the Auto Mirror add-on. To do that, go to Blender Preferences, then open the Add-ons section and enable Auto Mirror. Once it's active, select your object and open the Auto Mirror panel. From there, choose the axis you want to mirror across and apply the tool. Blender will automatically create the mirrored setup for you, which can be especially useful when you need to fix or create symmetry on an existing mesh. After applying Auto Mirror, your mesh becomes perfectly symmetrical, and you can continue refining the model with much less manual work. This is especially helpful for beginners who want a simple one-click style workflow, as well as advanced users who want to speed up blocking out models. So to quickly recap, select your object, enter Edit Mode, remove one half of the mesh, add the Mirror Modifier, enable clipping, and then keep your center vertices locked while you build the model. And if you want an even more automated method, turn on Auto Mirror and use it to create symmetry instantly. That's how to achieve perfect symmetry in Blender the easy way. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Blender tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.